Welcome to Ollie's Adventures.
Let's do this.
Alright, we gotta come out. Let's try to get set up.
What's your talking face?
Trying to hit the giraffe right there. Oh, got him! And I got it on film. That took forever, but now we did it. Yeah.
We're gonna take on the ground.
Yeah, put it somewhere in the living room to get it. Yeah. That's your parking spot? Is that his starting line? Oh, missed him. Oh, clipped him.
Gonna go get him again.
Ah, oh, almost got him again.
Really good at missing. Just a little bit.
Good at side swiping.
Yeah.
Got him! Now just go around him. Now that you figured out how to hit him.
Maybe we just go around him? I can do that. I've been doing that all night.
Parking in the box. Whoa!
Get stuck under there. It doesn't matter. The couch is just a little too high.
Next time we will buy a couch that is lower
Yes.
for cars. Got it. That will be top priority. Next couch.
See, if you just hold it like that, it'll go around.
Now get him!
Hit him when I got back. Gotta pull that in. One of those circles I'm gonna try to hit him.
Ugh. Ugh.
Can't do it backwards. Going backwards, just gotta do it in reverse.
Got him!
You ain't gonna end up hitting her in the foot.
Yeah, that's why I put the pillow there so you didn't hit
Oh,
her.
is there a pillow there?
Yeah. Oh, almost got it. Oh, it's out of the...
Too soon.
Get it out from under, y'all.
Stuck.
No, we want the pillow there so she doesn't get hit in the foot.
Oh, okay.
Oh, you're putting the pillow there for a backstop?
That'll see it tomorrow.
Oh, just missed him. Come on. Just missed him on the other side. Ah, just missed him.
All on the sides now. Come on.
missed him again.
I know back and you didn't wine.
Man, turn so fast. You can't get it. Doesn't react fast enough to back the other way. Get pulled out.
Okay, go pull it out again, dude. It's his birthday? It's Giraffe's birthday, so we're gonna hit him with a car. Happy birthday, boom. Whoa. Somebody has to sit over there in that thing. Okay, go pull it out.
Get it again. One more try. Watch how quickly you'll probably do it on the first try. Forward.
Ooh.
Go forward, right? Just turn. Forward and turn it. At the same time.
Uh-oh.
Go. That's gonna work on the board like that. You have to do that on the floor.
You think he's gonna fly off the table? Okay. Let's do this. Whoa! Batteries. Oh.
Made it though. You landed on his feet.
You promise you're not gonna make a mess? Thank you. Oh, then what are you doing? We just cleaned all that stuff up so we could play with the car. You're just gonna build a seat for the car? That sounds like a mess to me. No. Wow, boom. Ooh, I have a good idea. Here, let's put obstacle course. Ah! There you go. You got it. Now, how about the table? Ooh. Oh, that was awesome! Oh, right under. How are they gonna eat? They're not eating right now, Booba. You have to make them something right this second. Somebody should just sit on the couch so they can kick it out. Oh, right under it. Nice. Here.
What is that?
This is a board to go in front of the couch. Ah, come on. Yeah. Let's do it backwards. You did it forwards, but let's now do it backwards. You're better at it, Pop-pop. Ah.
Very good, but I guess I'm better than you are.
1 minute.
You're practicing.
1 minute, Papa. Then you practice it.
Now let's try to launch him off the table.
No.
Yeah, put them up on top of the table.
Yeah, we'll launch him off the table.
Oh, get that board. Put that board over here in front. Get that board. Put it over in front. Get the ramp.
Like a ramp up to the table? Or down?
Make it. Yeah, you had it.
No, yes.
A little bit lower. Just a little bit lower. Just enough to stand on the edge of it. Yeah, move that one. Get a little more. It'll stay.
Daddy, one on the side.
Okay. You need one on the other side? Let's see if he even does this side, Fred.
It would have to be stronger wood. I think.
Yeah. Okay. Here we go. Wow! He landed upright.
The car's too heavy for the board.
I got an idea. Hold on. Okay, try that.
Ready?
Get me ready.
Whoa!
That worked.
Don't do backwards.
Now do it backwards.
I
Let's-
can get out.
Oh.
And now I need a...
Here, put it over there and let's see if it does it. Not up there, just on the ground. On the ground.
Put it towards the board. Let's see if it goes in the board.
Wah!
Get some more.
No, don't do it yet.
Might go up if I have more time to get back to it.
Okay, hold on. Start your engines.
Oh, I gotta get straight now. Go back.
Okay.
Doesn't have enough. Maybe from that way from the kitchen. It's gotta really get some. The carpet doesn't get start up as fast.
Here's the car. Okay. Get him all the way over there. And try to jump.
Okay.
Okay. Ah!
That time it hit the bottom of the board. Because the board's a little warm.
Okay, I'll put him back. We need some tape.
No.
Okay.
This is sticks up to the side. Try to get it.
It's our mommy.
Oh, I can't see it.
Here.
It's too far away. Ready.
Let me here.
Maybe that's it.
This is.
Yeah, distance is how far away it is from this remote controller. Ollie, move it a little bit closer. He almost went through your leg.
And that also these two. And that
Hard to control.
order these two, mommy.
Oh yeah?
And order these two.
Maybe into, not over. Land him up this way.
Turns like self before that's the problem.
launch him off again.
I didn't know the other one.
He didn't hit the other one, but he hit that one. That's pretty good. There. What are you, Cinderella? Oh, never mind. There goes the other one. How will the prince ever find you? You lost both shoes. Ouch! Oh, ah, oh. Let's make a road. Okay. Let's do it.
Turn around, bud. I can bring it back to me.
Well, as long as it gets to the edge, it would jump off the edge. But you're trying to make it as least steep as possible.
The lowest to there, and then
Okay.
where we really could use is something here that goes. Just eliminated this all together.
And then go across down.
Well, we need the chair.
I think the chair would be too steep there, wouldn't it?
Oh, we could do this. One chair.
Okay, that looks good. That's looking pretty good. Okay, here we go. It's gonna be really crazy, all right. Oh shoot! Oh shoot! Stinky shoes! What do you think? Here it comes!
Screw up the driving.
Like this one. Wait a minute.
We screw the driving.
Maybe I'm going to use it like this.
Okay, we'll just see it. We'll see it do it. Wow. Oh, almost. Okay. We're getting more complicated as we go here. All right. Totally made it.
Plastic before I got reckless.
I almost ordered this.
Sorry, car keeping the car straight.
Maybe it has to like this.
Slides up here too. It doesn't stay straight on this car.
But maybe I only want it to go up like this.
You want to start up there?
Yeah.
And go down. Start and go down, you think?
No, let's see it don't jump like this.
Oh, it's gonna jump from there? What? Oh, you're gonna use that, make a jump?
I mean, stick it on there, Mommy. Tape. I need tape this. I need tape this, Mommy. I need tape this. Oh, but I'm not going all the way up, Mommy.
How about the lid of that one? That's a little bit stiffer.
This thing.
Yeah.
It was flat on the side.
Flat-ish. Maybe. Why don't you just use the whole bin? Or is the bin too high?
Too high. It's reps.
Mommy, stay on her. Mommy, we need tape.
You need tape? And now we can go from this one to this one. Mm. Yeah, put it under the box. Yeah. Let's see. Yeah, put it as far as it can be. You need tape to tape it down, maybe.
What's this?
Okay, here we go.
Yep. It's gonna be really crazy.
It's gonna be really crazy. Oh, yeah!
Yeah. Once it gets up there, it doesn't stay straight.
Yeah.
It's slippery. I think what happened is hit this thing.
Water under there. Water under there. Water under there. And water under there.
There's water under there? Oh, this is a dangerous thing. There's water under there, Pop-pop. Let's go. Oh.
That is snowing water.
Expected to come back left, but then we're always close.
Mommy, you in water. You in water, Mommy. You in water.
Let's see, go.
Let's do an onion, Mommy.
There he comes. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, we had to use that one over there.
That was good though. You got all the way across to there.
Yeah.
All you need.
Here we go. Wow. Oh.
How it gets wacko when it gets up on this one.
Pop-pop, you in water. Pop-pop. Mommy, you in water. Big bug.
Let's go. Yeah. Oh.
It's only that stupid yellow.
Okay. How about if we go over this?
Say that might work better.
Okay. Alright.
Can't get any grip on
Mommy, you
it.
in water. You in water, Mommy. Mommy, you in water.
Okay, I'm stepping away from the water. Okay. Let's see if it does it. Oh.
I'm not moving this. It's just when it gets up on the flat there.
Excuses,
If I can somehow try to turn it left.
Alright.
What is this, Mommy? What's this? Mommy, what's this? What's this mean?
Wow! Yes, 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 yeah! It didn't jump over? What? It just did all that? You wanted to jump to the couch now?
Come on.
Come on, that was awesome. Was it? You wanted it to jump?
Never good enough.
Never good enough.
Oh, you wanted one more.
Yeah, he wanted
It's not going to jump on a flat thing. It would have to come up on an angle.
On an angle.
This.
Oh, yeah. Jump over the pillow?
If you just had one more board, you could go right onto the couch.
Ah. Well, I do have one more.
The last grand finale.
Okay, I do have one.
Oh,
Hold
as soon
on,
as you get
hold
to
on.
the couch, that's
Okay.
it.
Okay, hold on. Okay, let's see. We're ready. False start. Mulligan. Watch out, bud.
Water.
Over.
That's a lot of whack. Oh, straight.
Okay.
It'll be two.
And we got 1, we got 2, we got 3, we got 4, and 1! We did it!
Spot for me.
Yeah!
Woohoo!
Fire, go.
What?
Put it back on there.
Now you want it to go back the other way?
I don't know if it's gonna do that. Probably gonna hit
Oh, yeah, it has to be
that.
opposite way. Yeah.
No, we did the part.
He
Yeah.
Now he wants it to go up the.
Yeah. Oh, you gotta get your camera. Gotta get your camera. Got it. Okay. Okay.
Now go.
Straight up there.
Now go.
Boom. Hey, Barney. Leave our ramp alone. Silly kitty.
Here's the kid. Now go.
Ooh.
All of a sudden, go for it.
Now go. Now go.
Ah.
By an inch.
Come on, Maui. Come on to me, Maui.
Are you gonna sit up there or not, buddy? Okay, the car's coming. Mmm.
Started straight.
Mama, you did one more.
Okay, not until we're done this, okay?
So keep turning. Don't move. We're gonna get it. Once in a while, it'll go straight.
Does it always bend to the right? Because there's things underneath it.
Try to go right. Turn too much.
No, no. No.
See, I got it backwards. Too late. Why don't you go on straight, car? I was trying to stay with it. Shoot.
No.
Hey, come on. So easy.
Do that. Do that.
Yeah!